Welcome back. This is Brand Dev Ops coming back again with another KodeKloud engineer task in Linux. Our task today is this. Within the backup server, there seems to be a template of XML files critical for Nautilus application. So our task is to find this file and to substitute all occurrences of the string sample with the word sonar. And this is where that file was located, and it's on the backup server. So I'll have to SSH into the backup server. I have to find out the user. So Clint is the user, and this is the server name. Try that again. I'll grab his password. And I'll become root. So I can access the file. And this file is located on the root directory in Nautilus. So in order to substitute these words, just need to use the sed command and substitute instances of the word sample or the word sonar. I'm going to do it every occurrence. And then we want to choose the file again. Root, Nautilus. That right there should do it. Alright, so it has validate the task. And there we are. Hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching, and more videos to come.